Hello friends, here I am with easy and simple recipe, instant Jowar Dosa without oil. It's super nutritious and totally gluten-free as no other flour added. As you see, Jowar Dosas will be soft and very tasty. Enjoy the same way as you eat Jowar Roti with vegetable chutneys, curries, etc. As you know, making Jowar Roti needs practice and time. Instead, try this whenever you're in rush and you still want to eat healthy. This is absolutely easy way to include Jowar in your diet. Let's get started. First add 1 cup jowar flour in a bowl. Mix around 6 dosas. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Now it's time to add water. If you notice, with normal water, dosa is going to break. Not easy to flip. Texture won't be good. Dosa will be hard and get soggy after few minutes. So here is my trick. Instead of normal water, add hot water. Make sure it's only hot, not boiling water. Otherwise, boiling water is going to make batter lumpy and dosa won't come good. Add 1 cup hot water. Mix well and rest it for 5 minutes. Now add half a cup normal water to dilute more. As you see, batter will be loose. This is the perfect consistency. Now heat the dosa pan. Check if it's hard by sprinkling little water. Pour batter with ladle or glass. Start from outer edges and keep dosa thin. Don't spread batter with spatula like normal dosa. It's going to stick. No need to add oil either. Cook until one side is done well. Then flip gently and cook on other side. Comparatively, Jowar dosa needs less flour than roti, so this way only few dosas will keep you full. Just in case if your dosa sticks to pan or spatula, wipe off the pan as well as spatula. Before making every dosa, mix batter once, as it settles down quickly. As you see, it doesn't need oil at all, and no other flours as well. It's entirely Jowar flour, totally gluten-free and super healthy. Store dosa in hot pot and serve hot. If you want to add onions, you can keep onions first on pan. Then pour batter on top. Cook until both sides are done perfectly. Or add onions in batter. And repeat the same way by pouring batter. You will enjoy same taste like Jowar Roti. Hope you like my Jowar Dosa recipe. Stay tuned for many more amazing healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.